Hey everyone, in this video, let's ask how you can watch live football on YouTube TV using your Samsung Smart TV. In order to do so, here we are at tv.youtube.com, and after doing a little bit of research on this, what I've been able to determine is that if you want to watch live football on YouTube TV using a Samsung Smart TV, follow these steps. Ensure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet. Install the YouTube TV app on your Samsung Smart TV from the App Store. Sign into your YouTube TV account on the app and navigate to the live football channels available on YouTube TV. YouTube TV provides access to live sports, including football, through its app, which is compatible with Samsung Smart TVs. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, an AI companion for academic document writing, unlock your writing potential with My Stylus. Find relevant sources, effectively manage references, refine with AI editing, and get instant help through AI chat research. You can use promo code SkillcraftAI10 to get 10% off your subscription. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would certainly appreciate it.